In today's news, could an LED discovery help beat Zika and malaria? The plans for London's bridges are in troubled waters as critics pan ideas. And a skyscraper in Madrid becomes the city's smartest building. Lux Today starts right now. A study completed by academics at Bristol University in the UK has found that LEDs attract less insects than other light sources. The discovery could be beneficial to nations in South America and Africa, which are fighting mosquito-borne diseases like Zika and malaria.
So we conducted the research study back in the summer of 2014. We were interested in looking at insect attraction to 4 different types of domestic lights. We looked at 2 LED bulbs, a cool white LED and a warm white LED, as well as a traditional tungsten filament light and a modern compact fluorescent too. And we took these lights out to 18 field sites around the southwest of England, and we set them up in the field attached to an insect trap. We turned the lights on at sunset and off at sunrise, and then collected the insect samples beneath each light for later analysis.
Significant differences were found for each light source, with the tungsten filament lamp being by far the most attractive to insects, capturing 80% of the bugs counted in the study. Insects have been proved to be more sensitive to the short wavelengths of light produced by LED light sources. LEDs also do not produce heat, which is known to attract insects.
Our research is in agreement with lots of other research that has taken place around the world in recent years. However, there are some studies in the literature that conflict. From our results, we have concluded that of the lights we tested, LEDs attract significantly fewer insects. I definitely think there's a need for further research in this area. By the end of the decade, about 70% of all lights are predicted to be LEDs. And we're pretty keen to embrace the energy savings that LEDs can offer us. But actually, we know very little about what impacts they may have on things like ecosystem services and on human health. I mean, for instance, we caught about 400 Culicoides biting midges in our study, and these are known to be important vectors of animal diseases. In other regions of the world, in more tropical climes, you get things like mosquitoes, which are vectors for things like Zika virus and for malaria, and these have a direct threat on human health. So yes, I think further research in this area is vital.
The study has been praised on social media, which is certainly not something that a project to light London's river bridges has been receiving this week. The lighting schemes unveiled as part of the Illuminated River Design Competition to illuminate central London's river bridges have received a frosty response from lighting designers. The submissions, which include proposals to link each bridge with lasers of light, were slammed as impractical online. It was also noted that the project will only add further to London's light pollution problem. The designs include plans to link each bridge with lasers of light and bathe London Bridge in a fiery hue. The renderings were submitted by notable design teams from around the world. Members of the public will be able to view the designs in London for the next month to make up their own minds, and a winner will be announced on December 8th. A new lighting scheme in Madrid, Spain is not proving to be quite so controversial, though. Philips has unveiled a connected lighting project that transforms Madrid's landmark skyscraper, Torre Europa, into a smart, highly secure place to work. The building has become the first in Spain to feature Philips Power over Ethernet connected office lighting system. The system allows office workers to personalize their office environment using their smartphones. Located at the heart of Madrid's financial business district, the 121-meter-high tower is one of the tallest buildings in the city and a prime location to host the country's top companies. The system enables working environments to respond to employees' specific needs. For example, workers can control air conditioning levels as well as the brightness of a room's lighting, all at the touch of a button, a move that will surely make office life just a little more tolerable. That wraps things up. Remember, you can get all the latest lighting news globally 24 hours a day at luxreview.com. I'm Courtney Ferguson with Lux Today. We'll see you back here at the same time next week.